No, we are not talking about Australia. The Constitution of India calls the aboriginal ethnic groups of India as the scheduled tribes, India's indigenous people. 705 ethnic groups are notified as scheduled tribes, and we comprise about 9% of the total population of India. The largest concentration is in the northeastern region and the central tribal belt, which stretches from Rajasthan to West Bengal. The tribals in India, much like elsewhere, live on the frontiers symbolically, psychologically, as well as physically. Though the indigenous people have learned to live in the most hostile environmental conditions, they are yet to learn to live in a hostile class and caste-based society, where the tribals are considered distant part of the society on the far fringes, to be treated with nothing but sympathetic toleration. This might not be so evident in the northeastern parts of India because the majority of the population is tribal and the society is more egalitarian. It is blatantly out there in the rest of the country. Economically least advanced, coupled with land alienation due to faulty implementation of policies, the central region's tribal population has suffered the most. The constitutional provisions such as the 5th and the 6th schedule thus recognize indigenous peoples' right to land and self-governance, and the Indian government implements policy steps to support it. Even so, there is a greater need of need-based targeted action and monitoring of the implementation of the holistic development of the indigenous population. Above all, the biggest need is for intensive education and sensitization to the larger population to appreciate the minorities among them, who are religiously, culturally, and ethnically distinct. 9th of August is observed as the Day of World Indigenous People. Let's work together to build a more just and equal society. Well, now for the recipe part, talking about the tribal or indigenous people. Be it from any part of the country, we are united by bamboo and jackfruit. Two iconic tribal food ingredients. My mom often tells me that during my grandfather's period, people would just have jackfruit for breakfast and go off to the farms to work all energized. I heard the same from a South Indian colleague of mine who is from the Nagarcoil, and again a Sri Lankan friend of mine said the same. So I decided to make the jackfruit seed as my star ingredient, and along with it, I am using 3 other favorite ingredients of Meghalaya: fermented fish, bamboo shoot, and lye obtained from ash of a burnt bamboo. If you do not have fermented fish, you can use dried fish, and for those of you who don't want any kind of fish at all, you can try it with nori, seaweed. It was a brilliant suggestion by one of my viewers. Thank you. Also, if you don't have lye, just use a wee bit of cooking soda. The ingredients you'll need are fermented fish, about 4 to 5 small fishes, jackfruit seeds, as many as you want, I have pre-cooked them, fresh bamboo shoot, about 1 cup boiled ones, chilies as per preference, I'm making use of 1 buchalokia, lye or cooking soda, and salt as required. I have pre-cooked my jackfruit seeds, so all you have to do is add all the ingredients together, add some water, and cook it till the ingredient blends well. I almost forgot to add the fermented fish. You can add them now, and it will take about 15 minutes for the dish to be cooked. If you're using uncooked jackfruit seeds, then don't add the fermented fish in the beginning. Add only after the seeds are cooked and soft. And remember never to use fresh bamboo shoots which have not been processed to remove the toxins present in them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also follow me in Instagram at eatyourcuppa handle. Also, if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification icon so that you get an update of when I'm posting my next video. Anyways, I hope you guys stay safe and take care of yourself, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.